I've been waiting all night for you to tell me what you want. Tell me that you need me. I've been waiting all night for you to, tell me what you want, yeah. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me what you want. Tell me that you need me. I've been waiting all night for you to, tell me what you want, yeah, want, yeah, want, yeah, want, yeah, want, yeah, want, 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 want.
I'm going to Big Buddha. I rented a motorcycle just for that. It was like €5 per day. And I'll show you. Came from Patong. The road from there is like 30 minutes. Not a lot of traffic, beautiful landscapes. So yeah, I'm almost there. 10 minutes more and I'm there. Looks like I already can see the Buddha from here. Just arrived. Big Buddha, Phuket, Thailand. The prices are not that bad in here. You can get a soda for less than €1 and from 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. I'm going to the top right now and I'll just show you the view. It's so hot out here. Just an amazing viewpoint. An island over there. This is just amazing, guys. The only con is that so much hot in here, guys. So much hot. As an European, this is crazy.